Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Magnifica XS espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue, the machine won't turn on, or like keep telling put the grind container in the time that grind container was in, but the issue was like we find out this part was broken, so we just replaced it, and we noticed that the machine needs a tune-up, and also this Pro unit, the infuser was like broken. Look at it, this should stays in this position, and did that when it's finished brewing and when I throw the rest of the coffee. But this was like broken, and the whole machine was full of scale and needs a tune-up, replace all the gaskets in the top, lubricate all the moving parts on it, and deep cleaning for the steam one. So let's go ahead, test it, and make a espresso shot on it after all of that done. Actually, I didn't put beans in there, and I'm just, it was without beans when I tried, so I'm gonna try it again. I forget to put beans in the first time. That works perfect. Let's test the steamer too. That needs a little bit until it gets ready.
Thank you. Thank you for the espresso. Oh, please, yeah.
So that works perfect. And let's do the hot water. Actually, I'd like to put it here. So all the functions in the machine working perfect. Thank you for watching.